Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we will be learning about CSS animations.
If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So in this video, we'll be learning 3 types of animation. So let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
So let us start our video. So first I'll open my VS Code. So as you can see here, my Visual Studio Code has been opened. So I'll quickly select the folder. I have selected the folder Web Development Course Pockets, and I'll make a new file called Animations.html, and I'll put the boilerplate too, and I'll zoom my page. So I have zoomed my page, and I will toggle the word wrap. So I have toggled the word wrap, and I will start my live server too. As you can see that my live server has been started. Then I will give a title of animations and save it. As you can see that now this page has a title with animations. So first I'll make a div with id with class container. Let me make a div with class container, and I will make a h1 tag with id count1, and I will write here this box shows animations, and save it. As you can see that now here it's written this box shows animations. So I'll go to my style tag, and I'll target this dot count1, and I will give a background color of I'll just select the green color and save it. As you can see that now there is a green color. I'll give some height and width to it. Height 100 pixel, width of 200 pixel, and I will save it. As you can see that now there is a box. I'll just right click inspect it. I'll just increase the width. I have in height. I think this much size is enough. I'll copy and paste it here and save it, and I will target the container, and I will give background color as green yellow. As you can see that now it's a box. So to start an animation, you should make animation. So first you should give animation name to it. To start an animation, you can I'll give my name only, Niranjan, and save it. Then you should make animation seconds. Animation duration. You can use some seconds. I'll give 7 seconds. Then you should make animation counts. For that you should make animation iteration count. So you should give animation duration and animation iteration count. That means the number of times it should be repeated. If I want 7 times, So I'll write 7. So to use animation, you should use a special function called @. To use @, you can just use shift and 2, and you should use keyframes. Keyframes is a special tag used for creating animations, and here you should write the animation name. I'll just copy the name and I will paste it here. So I have targeted the animation now. So then you should first we'll be talking about from and to. So from and to, let us talk about them. So first you can make a from, or you can make a width 100 pixel, from a width of 100 pixel, width of 100 pixel. You should go up to width of 9000 pixel. I think this much pixel. So I'll just refresh my book. As you can see that it is going this much pixel. I think this much pixel is more. I'll make it 1000 pixel. This is one the best. As you can see that it will go in 1000 pixels in 8 seconds. You can make animation count infinite, so that it will go infinitely, as you can see. As you can see here, if I make animation duration 1 second, it will go like a Superman. If I make animation count 0.01 second, it will go more faster than a Superman. As you can see here, it's going how much fastly. I'll zoom my page. So I'll zoom my page. Oh, it's going like a Superman, as you can see here. Oh, what had happened? What had happened? I should zoom like this only. Why I'm not able to zoom? Yeah. So I'll just make this 0.01 seconds to 8 seconds only. Oh, what had happened? I saved. Yeah, it's going nice now. I'll make one iteration count. So I'll just change the name and I'll use another media frame. This is my favorite animation. @media. You can also use animation delay, which will just make a delay of the seconds you have used. If you don't want to put animation name, animation delay, animation iteration count, animation and many more, you can just click animation and you can just use iteration count, everything you can mention. Why I'm using media? Even media is also a tag. Like keyframes also media you can put. You should type media. Media is used when you want to make a website responsive. Keyframes. So what had happened? I'll make Niranjan 2. It's my name, Niranjan 2, and I will make from, if the process is 0% completed, it should go from top. It should go 0 pixel, and from left to right it should go 0 pixel only. And I'll save it. Yeah, it will go 0 pixel now. And if I make 25%, the process is 25% completed, then you should go from top 250 pixel, and from left you should go 0 pixel. And I'll save it. I'll see what the changes had happened. Nothing. I think we should do up to 100%. And if the process is, oh, why I'm putting breakpoint here? Breakpoint is used when you want to debug. We'll be talking about debugging, running, everything later on. If the process is 75% completed, this box should go from top. It should go 250 pixel. 250 pixel. You can also change the values. It's not compulsory that you should use the same values. From left you should go 250 pixel itself, because I want to make a box. The box will go like this. It will come like here, it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, like this. And if 100% process is completed, 100%, from top it should go 0 pixel. From left it should go 250 pixel. And I'll save it. I'll see what changes had happened to my website. The animation changes, nothing happened. But why? Yeah, I gave animation name as 1. Sorry for that. I gave animation name 1, but Niranjan 1, but I used Niranjan 2 here. Yeah, as you can see, I just refresh my page. It will go here. Here. This is a box. Here. As you can see, this is a nice website. So I'll go to my VS Code again, and this is animated box. Animated box, and I will save it. Now here it's written this is an animated box, as you can see. So we have learned many things in this course. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Tech Learnerz and access the playlist too. I will be providing the playlist link in the description box. So until then, keep watching Tech Learnerz, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. So it's fun time. So we have created a simple box here, as you can see. Simple box, but I am going to put some fun in this by putting 0.0000000 1 second, and this will go so fast, infinite. Yeah, our fun is successful, as you can see here. It is going faster than a bullet train. I can't go down. But why? Inspect. I click inspect. Background color. Let me change yellow. Yeah, it's very nice. As you can see, so our fun time is over. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Learnerz. Bye bye.